Hello, my name is Anatoli Tziola and I will present the work with my advisor Professor Savvas Loizou. This presentation is entitled Manufacturing Logistics Optimization using the SPECTER Task Planner, a shoe manufacturing logistics case study. One of the challenges in the manufacturing logistics of shoemaking industry is to orchestrate the workflows between machines, workers, and storage locations in order to improve the efficiency of the process. The problem we are tackling in this paper is utilizing the SPECTER Task Planner. We aim to determine the resources and the time required for shoes production depending on the available human workers as well as the sequence of actions that need to be performed. We are focusing on the optimization of the final assembly workflow and its individual steps to optimize the intra-factory logistics. The final assembly is the workflow where the upper leather is shaped, lasted, and assembled with sole to get the final product, the shoes. The main procedures of the final assembly considered in this work are the shaping, lasting, painting, polishing, calibration, marking with sole, and finishing. We construct the abstraction of the final assembly workflow as illustrated in this diagram, where the nodes represent the buffer zones and the processes with their temporal costs, whereas the arrows indicate the input-output products of each process and buffer zone. Three case studies were investigated with 1, 2, and 3 workers working on the production line. An attention-getting result is that a decrease in the production time was observed only when a second worker was added, but no changes were registered when a third worker was added in the workflow. The results concluded that an increase above the optimal number of workers will not decrease the production time. To conclude this presentation, a case study for a manufacturing logistics optimization problem utilizing the SPECTER Task Planner is presented. Case studies with 1, 2, and 3 workers working on the production line were investigated. A production time improvement was observed with a second worker but not with a third, and as expected, increasing above the optimal number of workers does not decrease the production time. Further investigations include different machines, robots, buffers, and factory layout arrangements. Thank you very much for your attention.